Yep. Some pants pulling is going on. Uh-oh, somebody's got, there we go. Okay. Hi everybody, welcome to our digital kennel, GermanShepherdman.com. These are Penny P's brothers and sister. Those of you that have been following us for years, you're familiar with Penny P probably. Amazing dark sable female. And I just was able to get a hold of her brothers and sister because these are magnificent sable puppies. Go puppies! I mean, they're just, we named Katie P, my former kennel manager. They're getting away from me. She named Penny P Perfect Penelope because it just, wow, that litter of puppies are just perfect. And these are just like them. Somebody's at my feet. There's 5 of them, 4 males and 1 female. And somebody is right here at my feet. Who are you? Who are you, sweet boy? It's a sweet boy. He might be a Velcro boy. We'll see. We'll be putting collars on them tomorrow so we can start telling them apart and getting to know their personalities and set them up to where they're going to go. I got a couple of these available just in case if you're looking for a fabulous sable puppy with a lot of red hair on their ears. That red sable, that dark sable and red sable, very popular out and about amongst sable German Shepherd aficionados. Look at this baby. Aren't they gorgeous? Wow. Here he comes. All right, let's go find these over here. Okay, what are you doing? They just ate. I just fed them. Often when they eat for about 25 minutes, they are very active. So I thought, okay, this could be a great video. Here we go. That baby. Look at this one. Uh-oh, here's a cute shot. Fussing over a leaf. My leaf. No, it's my leaf. No, no, no. One coming in from the left, one coming in from the right. It's my leaf. I want the leaf. No, it's mine. Oh, these beautiful babies. Beautiful little babies. Look at that. Is that darling or what? Puppy breaks. Everybody loves puppy breaks. They're going up the hill. Whoops. Puppy wars. Sorry. Puppy wars. They fight and fuss. Look at this. Look at this. Okay. Puppy wars. Uh-oh, here we go. Gotta be fast. Hey. Hey, little puppy. What are you doing? Hey, little puppy. Hi, sweet puppy. That's sweet puppy. Hey, beautiful, just beautiful. Look at this one. Somebody's biting my socks. Bruh, really? My sock, just get my pants. Pants are a lot more fun. Look at this. Here we go. That's the female. She said, get up off of me, boy. No. see what he's doing. Puppy break. This is a long one, but these puppies are always really good in puppy breaks. They're just a real playful bunch. I remember when we got Penny P's litter, they were just magnificent like these. And I just had to have one. Probably should have kept two. See if I can get over here. Look at that baby. Wow. Wow, wow, wow. Wow, it just keeps on rolling. Okay, that's almost 6 minutes. I mean, that's a lot of puppy break. But anyway, guys, thank you for being a part of this German Shepherd puppy break family. A lot of people all over the world like to watch these. So thank all of you from all of us. I'm Charles Miller, GermanShepherdman.com. Get him.